Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss with you two important aspects of cost accounting, that is objectives of cost accounting and functions of cost accounting. Now let's discuss about objectives of cost accounting. The first and foremost objective of cost accounting is ascertainment of cost. See, cost accounting aims at ascertainment of cost, which serves as a basis for many other decisions. Ascertainment of cost is very important aspect in a business because other decisions are primarily based on cost. Say for example, fixing of selling price and other managerial decisions are depend upon cost. The second important objective of cost accounting is determination of selling price. See here, selling price is a very important aspect in every business because nowadays there is a keen competition in a market and customers are price sensitive, and selling price is the most vulnerable thing in a business scenario. So therefore, before fixing a selling price, every business considers many aspects. Likewise, preference of the customers, taste of the customers, economic condition, and most importantly, cost of the product or service. So therefore, cost accounting is very useful and helpful in determining selling price. Cost control. Now, cost control is most essential for improving efficiency and productivity of a firm. In cost accounting, there are many techniques of costing are there to control the cost, like standard costing, budgetary control techniques. In case of standard costing, what happens? For each activity, standard costs are set and actual costs are measured and they are compared with the standard cost, and if any variance arises, remedial measures are taken. So like this, cost accounting is very helpful in cost control. Next, guiding management in framing business policies and decisions. Cost accounting guides management in formulation of various policies and decisions by providing relevant cost data. See, in case of business decisions, what happens? The top management requires accurate and precise data, and based on this data, they are taking managerial decisions. So therefore, while framing the policies and taking the decisions, cost accounting provides useful data. Next one is formulation and implementation of incentive bonus plans. See what happens when the wages are paid to the laborers, there are number of incentive bonus plans are there. So this cost accounting helps for implementation of incentive and bonus plans. Halsey plan is there, Rowan plan is there, so Emerson's efficiency plan is there. So likewise, there are number of bonus plans are there. So this cost accounting is useful and helpful for formulation as well as implementation of incentive bonus plans. So these are the few important objectives of cost accounting. Now let's move towards functions of cost accounting. So the first and foremost function of cost accounting is recording of relevant transactions. So this is the primary function of cost accounting, where various accounts are maintained according to the principles of cost accounting, and this whatever information is recorded, this information is helpful in ascertainment of cost. The second function of cost accounting is ascertaining cost of each products or services, process operations, etc. So as already I have discussed you, the basic objective of cost accounting is ascertainment of cost. So for ascertainment of cost, there are methods of cost accounting are there. Say for example, output costing, operating costing, job costing, etc. These are used to ascertain cost of product. And already I have told you, cost of product is very important aspect in business. Next one is cost control. So as I have discussed in objectives of cost accounting, cost control is very important because to survive and for the growth of business in this competitive market, cost control is very important thing, because when a company controls its costs, then it is possible to give the qualitative products at a reasonable or at competitive price. And for this cost control, there is standard costing and generally budgeting controls are used. Next one is cost analysis. Cost analysis means costs are classified into different groups: direct cost, indirect cost, normal cost or abnormal cost. Like that, the costs are classified in different groups and these are analyzed. So with this analysis, the information which is got after this analysis is very useful for business firms and for management to take managerial decisions. Cost comparison. So this cost comparison is very important function of cost accounting, because with the help of cost comparison, it is possible to ascertainment of profitabilities of different project proposals, plans and actions. And with this help of cost comparison, it is possible to take right decisions at crucial point of time. Next functions of cost accounting is quotations. See, while preparing tenders and quotations, cost accounting is very helpful. With the help of cost sheet, it is possible to quote the prices more scientifically and more precisely. Cost budgeting. So the budget means fixing the overall limit of expenses, and with the help of this function, it is possible to prepare cost budgets. So when the cost budgets are fixed, then the budget, the overall limit or the limit for expenses can be fixed, and accordingly necessary steps can be taken. Cost planning. Whatever elements of costs are there, material, labor and overheads, these can be properly planned and expenses can be incurred accordingly with the help of cost accounting. So therefore, cost accounting is very useful in cost planning. Cost reporting. Cost accounting is not only useful for recording relevant transactions, ascertaining cost, cost control, cost analysis, but also it is very useful in reporting. With the help of cost accounting, inefficiencies of various elements of cost units or cost centers or products are reported to management, and with the help of whatever reports are generated and sent to the management, top management can take remedial actions. The last function is providing cost information for decision making. So whatever information is recorded, analyzed and compared, that information is provided to top management, and based on this information, top management can take necessary decisions. So these are the few functions of cost accounting. So in my next video, I will cover advantages and limitations of cost accounting. Thank you.